Hi everyone, it's Carolyn from True Crime Chat with Mommy Ramblings, and I'm here with an update in the Scott Peterson case. You might remember at the end of August, Scott's death penalty was overturned. And today, another shocking decision here in this case. The murder conviction of Laci and his unborn son, Connor, is to be re-examined. Yes, you heard that correctly. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So in less than 2 months, Scott Peterson has gone from facing the death penalty for the 2004 conviction of killing his wife Laci and unborn son Connor to now facing the possibility of a new trial. The California Supreme Court, which you might remember in August, overturned Scott's death penalty. On Thursday today, ordered his murder convictions to be re-examined. And that's in multiple published reports. The issue in what was once a high-profile case, the court said a juror failed to disclose she had been involved with other legal proceedings and as a result committed prejudicial misconduct. In 2000, the juror in question filed a lawsuit where she was seeking a restraining order after her boyfriend's ex-girlfriend harassed her while she was pregnant. The San Mateo County Superior Court will determine whether Scott Peterson, now age 47, should receive a new trial. Scott lived in Modesto when the 2002 murders occurred, but the trial was held in San Mateo, about 70 miles away, because of all the pre-trial publicity. Before Scott Peterson's conviction, investigators said that on Christmas Eve of 2002, Scott killed his wife, 27-year-old Laci Peterson, who was 8 months pregnant, and dumped her body from his fishing boat into the San Francisco Bay. Months later, the bodies resurfaced. In 2005, a year after his conviction, Scott Peterson was sentenced to death. But as we now know, on August 24th, the California Supreme Court justices overturned that death penalty. And they said that the trial judge in the case made a series of clear and significant errors in jury selection that, under long-standing United States Supreme Court precedents, undermined Scott Peterson's right to an impartial jury at the penalty phase. And the justices agreed with his argument, Scott's argument, that potential jurors were improperly dismissed from the jury pool after saying they personally disagreed with the death penalty, but would be willing to follow the law and impose it. While a court may dismiss a prospective juror as unqualified to sit on a capital case, if the juror's views on capital punishment would substantially impair his or her ability to follow the law, a juror may not be dismissed merely because he or she has expressed opposition to the death penalty as a general matter, justices said in a unanimous decision. Now, Scott Peterson contended on appeal that he couldn't get a fair trial because of the massive publicity, although the proceedings were moved about 70 miles away from his Central Valley home of Modesto to San Mateo County, south of San Francisco. Now, Stanislaus County District Attorney Bridget Fladiger did not immediately say whether she would again seek the death penalty. Scott Peterson's family had a reaction to this decision, and they're grateful that the California Supreme Court ordered a second look at his conviction for killing his pregnant wife and unborn child. And that's according to his sister-in-law. She told that to Fox News today. Scott's sister-in-law, Janie Peterson, told Fox News the family is grateful for the court's ruling. And she says, as the court takes a closer look, we are confident they will find enough evidence to warrant a reversal of Scott's conviction, Janie Peterson said. We look forward to Scott being granted a new trial in the coming months. The state Supreme Court overturned Scott's death sentence in August, citing significant errors in jury selection, as we said before. Now, that juror's name was Rochelle Neese, and she was juror number 7. Again, she failed to disclose other legal proceedings. Rochelle filed a lawsuit in 2000 to obtain a restraining order against her boyfriend's ex-girlfriend who was harassing her while she was pregnant. And Scott Peterson's attorney said, coming on the heels of the death penalty reversal, it's apparent that not only was the jury selection standard wrong, but we're now taking a second look at the fact that there should have been a better selection of what I've nicknamed self-jurors, namely jurors that were not forthright in order to get on the jury because they had an agenda. And that's what, again, Mark Garagos told Fox News. The state has 30 days to respond to the court's ruling. So there you have it. We can discuss it a little later tonight. It won't be that much later, but we can discuss it live. A little bit of an update in the Scott Peterson case. Let me know in the comments if you think he'll get a new trial. Should be interesting to see. If you like this video, I'd really like it if you give it a thumbs up. That would really help the channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to us, just why don't you? Please click the little subscribe button in the bottom corner of the video and become part of the greatest community on YouTube. Thanks so much, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.